Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start updating right now. Insert a charged battery and connect the camera to your computer or prepare the SD card. If using Quick, open the app, sign in, and let it detect your Hero 6. If using the SD method, copy the firmware. Bin file into the root folder of a freshly formatted SD card. Once done, power the camera off before inserting the card or connecting by USB. Make sure indicator lights behave normally, and the device is recognized by your system. Now you'll run the installation. If you use the SD card, insert it and power on, the camera will automatically detect the firmware and display update prompts. Press the shutter or OK when requested. If using Quick, click Update and let the app transfer files, confirm any prompts on the camera. Progress bars may pause. Remain patient. Do not press buttons, remove the battery, or disconnect the cable while the update is running, because interruptions can corrupt firmware and brick the unit. Finish by letting the camera reboot. It often runs a final setup after installation. Once it boots, go to Preferences About and confirm the new firmware version matches the file you installed. If menus or features act strange, make sure to reset settings to default before factory resetting, because that preserves user data when possible. Troubleshooting tip: if the update fails or the camera won't boot, reformat a reliable SD card, recopy the firmware file, and repeat the SD install method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.